Good morning, children. Now let us start the Unit 3 in English. The name of the unit is The Joy of Festivals. This lesson is all about festivals, children, that comes in different months. So here is a boy whose name is Raj. He is 6 years old and he loves all kind of festivals. He lives in a small house in New Delhi with his parents. They have neighbors who are from all over India. Mr. Amar Patil lives next door. Old Mrs. Angela Gomes lives above their house. Opposite to their house lives a Tamil family. Raj attends schools with their daughter Kavita Iyer. Now in the month of January begins with Pongal being celebrated by the Ayers. The name of the girl is Kavita Iyer. Now you can see here boy's name is Raj and the girl's name is Kavita. So Kavita is a Hindu who celebrates Pongal in the month of January. The day before at lunch break, Kavita says, "Please come to my house for Pongal tomorrow morning." Raj replies, "I love eating sweet Pongal. I will be there early in the morning." The next morning, Kavita helps her mother decorate the house with mango and banana leaves. Mrs. Iyer makes a beautiful rangoli outside on the porch with rice flour. You can see here it is called a rangoli. Everyone gathers to pray to the sun god and eats delicious pongal on banana leaves. Now in the month of March, Mrs. Gomes bakes yummy chocolate Easter eggs and hides them for Kavita and Raj to find. They search everywhere until they find all the eggs. "Oh, it's chocolate," they exclaim, breaking the egg open and sharing with each other. They go with Mrs. Gomes to the neighborhood church for the Easter service. So these people will celebrate Easter. And the next type of people are Muslims. They are going to celebrate Eid, that is Ramzan. And also above them there is another family, Mrs. Patel makes the best sweets for Gudi Padwa, the Maharashtrian New Year in April. So in the month of April, Maharashtrian people will celebrate their New Year. She hangs the Gudi on her terrace. It is a green cloth on a bamboo pole. Sugar, neem and mango leaves and red flowers are tied to it. You can see here, children, the picture of a Gudi Padwa. Now a copper pot is placed upside down on it. So the small yellow pot you can see here, which is in brown color, that is a pot which is upside down. This is a New Year celebration that will be celebrated by the Maharashtrian people. Next is in the month of summer. When we have long summer, it is time for Ramadan and Eid, that means Ramzan. Everyone gathers and prays together. After a month of fasting, everyone sits down together for a feast. In the month of October, they all celebrate Durga Puja in the building grounds. That means that is Dasara. The puja goes on for 5 days. They wear new clothes and have lots of fun. So these are the festivals, children, that were celebrated by the people of our community. Now the neighbors who celebrate festivals together are happy group of people. So this lesson is all about festivals. Hope you understood the lesson and you can go through the lesson and read it once. Now let us learn some question answers and hard words of this lesson, children. Festival. Second one is celebration. Third one Pongal. Fourth one decorate. Fifth one sharing. Sixth one delicious. Seventh one copper. Eighth one fasting. Ninth one community and the 10th one is bamboo. Now let us learn question answers of this lesson, children. How old is Raj? Raj is 6 years old. Where does Raj live? Raj lives in a small house in New Delhi. Who celebrates Pongal? The Ayers celebrate Pongal. Name a festival from the story which the people from Maharashtra celebrate. Gudi Padwa is celebrated by the people from Maharashtra. Which festival is celebrated after a month of fasting? Eid is celebrated after a month of fasting. Now let us learn the next question answers. The next part of the unit that we have is poem. No crackers please. Now this is a poem. Now let us learn the question answers of that poem. Which occasions are fun? Festivals, birthdays and other celebrations are fun. Second question, how do we express love and happiness on such occasions? We sing, play, greet, pray and hug each other to express our love and happiness. Third question, when can we not hear ourselves? While bursting the firecrackers, we cannot hear ourselves. Fourth question, what do burns feel like? Burns sting like bees. Fifth question, what is the poem trying to teach us? The poem is trying to teach us to stop bursting crackers. So these are the question answers of this poem, children. Hope I am clear with the question answers and the lesson explanation and the hard words. If you have any doubts, you can go through the lesson once again and the poem, read it well and practice, which is very important for you.